Let's go through Lexic 3170 lexically minimal string after remove stars. For this question, it give us a string, and it say that this kind of string may contain star and any number of star characters. Actually, say that it can only contains lower English letters and star. And when there is star, what we need to do is that we need to delete the leftmost star and the smallest non-star character to its left. If there are several smallest character, you can delete any of them and return the lexically smallest result string after remove all of the character star. You see that input it is possible to delete all of the stars. So you say that if for this string there are multiple stars, right? So if we make a star, we need to delete one of the smallest character, for example, A, B, A, C, right? So we can delete any of these A's, right? A is smallest. And if we make a star, right? We delete. So what kind of A's we should delete to make it as lexical smaller? We should delete the last A, right? If there is A, right? And for example, let's take an example. If we make a star here, right? So if there is A, B, A, B, A, right? So if we delete this, what we left is A, B, A, B, right? But if we delete this, what left is A, B, B, A, right? We delete this, that is B, A, B, A. So we delete the last one, will be the lexically smallest. So what we do is that we use the list, let's say list integer, and to be size of array, right? 26. And for every position, it stores for example, A, the index, right? So this will this kind of array, the first element is the list, so it will have 0, 2, right? And within we met a star. We try to see this kind of list of index. The first one, if it's not empty or not, right? It's not empty. We delete for this this kind of list, the last index, right? So instead of delete, right? What we do is that we can set this one as star, right? And then we make another one, right? We may set some other character star. And after we doing this kind of operations, we use a string builder to append those kind of characters, which is not a star, to our result. So let's write code for this, right? We know we're going to use this integer array, right? Equals new, let's call list, new list 26. And then let's create this kind of, for every element, it will be array list, right? Int I equals to 0, I smaller than 26, I plus plus. Then we are going to have list I equals new array list. And also let's convert this string to array. And what we do is that we need the index, right? So what we do is that for int I equals to 0, I smaller than array dot length, right? I plus plus. So if array I is not a star, right? If this one is not a star, that is we just need to have this kind of list, and we get this kind of we put for example A in the first, right? And get this kind of index that is for this character which array list it belongs to, right? And just add, right? Else that is a star, right? Else what we do is that we need to iterate those kind of index array, right? List integer li in list. So if li is not empty, right? Then we'll have its index, right? Index should be li dot get li dot size -1. And let's have array index set as star, right? And also we'll have li remove li dot size -1, right? So for this one we need to break if if we find an index, we set this one as star, we just need to break, right? And in the end, we just append this kind of char array. If it's not a star, we just append the characters for characters C. Let's have a string builder. SD equals new string builder. And for every character in array, right? So we just string builder if C doesn't equal to star, we append this kind of string builder append. See? And then in the end, we just return this string builder string. It will be 20 if this is the n, right? And we may the worst case is that for every character we need to have 26. Need to iterate 26 list. It will be at most 26 n, right? Because we may terminate early. Let's write this one as Python code. Python code should be similar, but Python for the join string builder part can be write less code, right? So we'll have let's have at least is reserved word. Let's call it last equals for in range 26. Okay, and the things that we want to change, right? If we make a star, we change this kind of string, some of the previous characters, for example, the last A to be a star as well, right? But the string, we cannot manipulate the string directly in Python, right? So let's change this to char. So what we need to do is that we have array equals to list s, right? So what we do is that for I in range length array. Then what we do is if array I doesn't equal to star, it's not a star, then we'll have a last or the array I minus or the A, right? So this position we are going to append I else, that is we try to check for every list, right? Else that is for list in last. If list is not empty, then index equals list dot pop, and we'll have array index. Let's set this one as a star. Then we need to break, right? Then our result is use this one dot join, right? C in C. For C in array, if C doesn't equal to R, start, right? And then return result.